The internet is full of the new KTM Adventure being launched by KTM, the rally version of the KTM. But actually, it is a KTM Adventure Rally Tower. It's being manufactured by a company called as TurtleTech. Basically, what it does is it completely transforms the way your KTM looks. It gives you the KTM Dakar feel, where the windscreen is further up. Obviously, it will help you with reference to wind protection as well. I personally like how customized and how different the KTM looks. It also gives you a very useful phone holder which is right on top of the already lifted instrument panel. The phone can obviously be used as an add-on GPS system for your long trips. Overall, if you're like us, if you like to look apart from the crowd, this will be a really good add-on for your KTM Adventure. I do not think there is any upgrade in suspension. The bike is dynamically the same, the engine performance, everything is the same, it just looks better. And I feel this is a good part because KTM has anyways over-engineered this bike. And with this rally tower, it looks like a proper Dakar rally bike, at least visually. So do let me know your views regarding this particular product. I look forward for seeing you in my next video.